Hi, I'm Danny Stepanek, CEO of MoodUp, and today I want to talk to you about virtual events. But in particular, I want to talk to you about what platform you should use for your virtual event. Now, there are many to choose from, and I like to categorize them in three simple buckets. One is a 2D platform, another is 2.5D, and the other is 3D. I'll explain those in more detail. A 2D platform is like your typical webinar. A presentation area on one side for video and a chat down the side for the attendees. Now, obviously, the attendees don't get very much presence in these type of experiences. It's a great way to deliver presentations. Then there are 2.5D platforms. These are essentially mini websites, but they mimic a venue. You might start off on a web page that has a picture of a lobby, and then you'll move to another page that might be a picture of an auditorium with a streaming video. Or to another page, there's a picture of an exhibition where you can see a picture of booths. Now, these allow people to feel like they're at a venue. They allow them to explore a little, and often they'll include things like video networking or chat. Then there's 3D. And 3D offers the ultimate in engagement, allows people to explore, to move around, to serendipitously run into other people, to have hallway conversations, just like you would in a real event. It also allows you to run gamified experiences and allows people to present themselves in different ways if they're using avatars. Now, those are the types of event platforms, but there's other considerations no matter which platform you're using. Consider the cost, the setup required, and if there's any training required to use the platform. Do you need something that's all done for you, kind of white glove service, or do you want something self-service where you can jump in and start to make changes whenever you want to? Also consider the time until your event. Many event platforms need weeks before you can start to deploy on them. So consider that. Also think about if you're running an event that relies on sponsorship, are there sponsorship opportunities and features built into the platform? Also consider audience engagement. Is there gamification or ways to give people points, send them on scavenger hunts, involved in escape rooms? What's available on the audience engagement side? Also think about how the audience can socialize and connect with each other. As I mentioned before, just having a chat down the side of a webinar may not be enough to get audience engaged and creating relationships between themselves. Once you can get the audience engaged, they're going to return again and again because they are getting value out of it themselves. Can the platform also support things like product demonstrations or live entertainment? These are all things that you can consider. But remember, you want something to be different than today's work. We're all on remote meetings with Zoom and Teams. It shouldn't be another meeting. It should be something engaging and an experience that we remember and enjoy. So I hope these tips have been useful, and I'll be back with more soon.